Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case on penny stock additions under section 68. It has been seen that whenever the assessing officer receives any information from the investigation wing that the assessee has traded in some penny stock, then it has been seen that whatever the documents the assessee are submitting during the assessment proceedings, the assessing officers are making the addition just on the basis that a steep hike in the price is there, the assessee has purchased the shares in the off market, and just on the basis of some reports the additions are being made. In the present case, the issue before the Ahmedabad ITAT-C bench was that in case where the assessing officer does not establishes any coalition of the assessee with the counterparties to whom the shares are sold, whether in that case the addition made for the penny stock transactions are justified under section 68. This issue has been decided in the case of Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax Central Circle 11 versus Dinisha Rajendra Keswani. This case is reported in 122 ITR short note 70. The date of the judgment is 6th February 2025. In the present case, the assessment proceedings of the assessee were going on the allegation that the assessee has traded in a script KPL, which is a penny stock transaction and which is a bogus transaction in shares, to claim the benefit of exemption under section 10 subsection 38. When the notice under section 142 subsection 1 was issued to the assessee submitted the number of documents to justify the transaction that the transaction is genuine. These documents include details of purchase and sale transactions, the bank statement, the demat account statement, contract notes, and the audited financial statements of the assessee. But the assessing officer relied only on the reports of the investigation wing of the income tax department. The allegation of the assessing officer was that the assessee sale transactions of the KPL shares to the counterparties U and A are not genuine. The basis of the allegation of the assessing officer was that one party, that is U, has been suspended by the Bombay Stock Exchange, and the other party A is involved in tax evasion schemes. The assessing officer further alleged that the SEBI has taken action against KPL and the Bombay Stock Exchange has suspended the trading in the KPL shares, and the further allegation of the assessing officer was that the assessee has purchased these shares offline and the assessee has only transacted in one script, that is KPL. So, taking these allegations the basis and without having any concrete evidence against the assessee between the counterparty and the assessee of any coalition of any accommodation entry, the assessing officer made the addition. When this matter came before the CIT appeal, the CIT appeal said that in the present case the assessing officer has not considered all the submissions of the assessee, all the documentation of the assessee, and without finding any fault in them has made the addition, and there was no concrete evidence which establishes the coalition between the assessee and the counterparty that some price rigging has been done. So the CIT appeal gave relief to the assessee, and when the revenue came before the tribunal for his appeal, the tribunal said that in the present case the assessing officer neither examined counterparty to establish the coalition between the assessee that there were some unwanted transactions, some cash has been exchanged. The tribunal said that the assessing officer has not provided any direct evidence of price rigging. The tribunal said that in the present case the assessee transactions cannot be treated as bogus unless there is some concrete evidence or the revenue establishes that there was some concrete material that the transaction has been prearranged. The tribunal said that a normal increase does not justify the addition under section 68, and the tribunal was also of the opinion that just because of the variation in the tax treatment does not ipso facto establishes that the transactions are not genuine. So, keeping in view all the evidences filed by the assessee and the additions have been made only on the basis of journal allegations, so the tribunal also upheld the order of the CIT appeal, which has deleted the additions under section 68 of the penny stock. At the end of this video, once again, I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, Center Circle 11 versus Dinisha Rajendra Keswani, and this case is reported in 122 ITR Tribunal Short Note 70, and the date of the judgment is 6th February 2025. Thank you, friends.